cursive W. W, especially the capital W, it's a big letter, kind of like the M. So we may only get 3, maybe 4 across the line, but let's see how we do. So little loop, big line down, bump, big line up, down, bump, up, down, tail. Little loop, big line down, bump, big line up, down, bump, up, down, tail. Let's see if we can squeeze a couple more in here. Don't squish your letters too much. That is not what I'm implying at all. You want to make sure you have enough space in between each letter and none of them look squished. So I was able to get 4 big W's on there. Lowercase w, it's similar to the V that we did in a previous video. It starts and ends with a tail. It's a little line down, bump, little line up, down, bump, up, loop, tail. Again, I make my loop a little bit smaller, but that is your choice if you like that bigger loop. Just make sure it doesn't look like a little E is writing on the back. Upper and lowercase cursive W.